Keyword research for SEO. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a topical map. A lot of things changed over the course of the last year, so I'll show you the most up-to-date methods you can also use today. And at the end of the video, there's a bonus where I'll show you how you can create a topical map in seconds with AI. Let's dive in. Concept of a topical map. So in this mind map, I'm trying to show you how does a topical map work. So let's say we've chosen a keyword cooking pan, and we would choose type of cooking pans. Then I've read this iron and steel, so they could be different type of cooking pans. And type of cookings it can be used for example, Italian, Indian, it could be different ways. So this is how you can do it. Just to explain you more, I have just said, for example, topical map for knitting would be, is it easier to learn to knit or crochet? What do you mean knitting? How do I start knitting? Can a 5-year-old knit? How easy is knitting? What is the easiest things to learn? So these are the ways you could do the topical map. Now I'm going to show you how to create your own topical map. Let's go to this website for Answer the Public and type here and choose the country, United States, and type here cooking pan. So in few minutes, this is going to populate the questions and answers for all type of cooking pans, and that is where you could copy all of these propositions and questions and ensure you write content around them. These could be blog posts, mainly blog posts, or these could be FAQ in part of your website section. So let's say these are the questions which I see. Why do pan needs to be seasoned? Can cooking pans be recycled? Can cooking pan go into dishwasher? So all these questions you can copy from here to make your topical map. And now the bonus point, how to use ChatGPT to create a topical map. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write a prompt here. Envision owning a website with ambition, and I'm just replacing this section which is written as your niche as cooking pan. And I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to present me the topical map for this website. So you will see how ChatGPT is creating a topical map for me with a correct prompt. So here you have all the topical map with everything you need for a cooking pan. Of course, you can replace cooking pan with any keyword on your niche. Now you know how to create a topical map. So the only thing that is left is to actually rank for the keyword you want to rank for. That's why I made this video you see on the screen right now, where I show you how you can rank without even having to build backlinks, which can be a real headache. So go and watch this video right now, and then you know everything you need to know to crush it with the SEO.